Hello everybody, this is your week 5 guidance video. There's two things going on this week. The first thing is you will be doing a short Google form survey this week, which will be sent to you. I'll probably put in the announcements as well as I'll email it to the class. This is a Google form survey, which serves as a grade check for you to be able to look at your grade, figure out how many points you have so far, how many points you need to get, what kind of grade you're on track to get. To make sure that you're doing what you're supposed to do at the kind of the quarter turn of the semester. And that will be posted both in the announcement section as well as sent via email. So you want to do that as 5 points of your 20 points for the week. And it takes about 30 seconds. So it's very important and that you will lose points if you don't do it. So make sure that you do it. Now, this week we're going to be looking at Web 2.0 tools. Okay? It's in module 27. So we'll go there in a second. So most of the time you can see some links, and you can do some exploration. You can go to Ed's tools. This 2.0. I can't say it right now, but I think you can read it. Sorry, my tongue kind of lost me there. And then also you're going to go here to the Nathan Hall link, and so you explore those very carefully. And then next you're going to look at the 15 Web 2.0 tools that you would use in your endorsement or major area. So you're going to get a template, and you're going to make just a brief list of the 15 tools that you find that you think would benefit you. Again, if you're a middle school science teacher, you will find 15 Web 2.0 tools that could help you as a middle school science teacher. If you're teaching high school special education, that's what you will focus on. The one thing I mentioned is not all Web 2.0 tools are necessarily going to be for classroom use. They could be a productivity tool for you as a teacher, organizational tool. It could be a parent contact tool. It could be for instruction or classroom participation. Lots of different ways that Web 2.0 tools can help you out. Not simply by, oh, here's something that just my students do some work. Not that that's not something you do, but there's more than one way to go about that. So there's one thing to keep in mind. Again, what you're going to do with you get that template, which you can click right here and get that. I'm going to show you. You'll click here, and you're going to make a copy. It takes a second. This pops up. You're going to fill this out. Provide a description here. At least two. I would say probably 2 sentences, and describe how you're going to use it. Right. A brief description. Is it a productivity tool? Is it is your students creating something? Whatever it is. Right. And of course, just so click the name. Web should open that page. So you full link the name. Right. And then the description. Maybe one or 2 sentences. The description. Maybe another sentence or 2, how you plan to use it. So maybe a short paragraph for each, but that's not going to take you too long. Again, it needs to be specific to your area. And here you also want to describe, is it for the student use? Is it for parent communication? Is it for teacher organization or some other use? Okay. And with this, make sure that you either link it correctly by clicking share, or you go to file, publish to web, embed, and get the embed code. So again, if I can't see it, I can't grade it. Now, before I end this video, I mentioned that it's in module 27. So you can go to modules, and you're going to scroll all the way down. So it's Web 2.0, instruction within assignments, and these are your Web 2.0 sites that you can go look at. And you can just kind of go in here and click on the instructions. Nothing too difficult there. And then you have your quick definition. So, all right, guys, thank you very much for your time. Keeping this video short. As always, if you need help, if you need assistance, if you feel that you're struggling, if there's anything in these videos or this specific video specifically that you do not understand, please contact me right away. Do not hesitate. Do not feel upset, ashamed, embarrassed to contact me and ask for help. That is why I am here. Thank you very much for your help, and I will see you online.